This is a JobCost.com video tutorial on how to enter a new job or edit an existing job. Before entering a new job, make sure the customer for this job is entered. If not, refer to the JobCost.com video tutorial on how to enter a new customer. In the main cabinet, go to Job Cost, click on Job List. To create a new job, select the blue Add button. To edit an existing job, click on the job name ID from the job list. Notice the multicolored buttons along the top. Blue Add is to create a new job. Purple Copy is to copy an existing job's information to a new job. Green Save is to save the information just entered. Green Save and Add is to save the new information just entered, close the current job tab, and open a new job tab. Yellow Undo lets you undo any recently entered information or changes prior to saving. Orange Delete deletes the job record you are on. Teal Print is to print a job ticket. Blue Customize Form allows administrator to relabel any field on the screen. Blue Customize Tabs allows administrator to add, change, or reorder page tabs across the top of the screen. Red Save and Close saves all information entered and closes the current job tab. Red Close closes the current job tab. When entering or editing the job information, be sure to fill out anything with a red asterisk or the job will not save. All other fields can be utilized on a per job basis. Give the job a unique job ID. This is alphanumeric up to 15 characters. Enter the job name. Choose the customer from the dropdown. Customer PO will default upon entry of accounts receivable, invoice, and job ticket. Job status, entry date. Enter the job address and contact information. If controlled checkbox is checked for this job, it will use controlled general ledger account numbers. If the job is not controlled, you can choose the general ledger account number that will default upon entry of accounts receivable invoices from the sales account dropdown. If the job state is different than your company's state, you can select the appropriate payroll taxes and workers' comp state from the dropdown. Sales tax, select the job state in which sales tax is charged. If the customer for this job gives a sales tax exemption certificate, the sales tax exempt ID and sales tax exempt expire fields can be utilized. If there is retention on this particular job, enter the retention percent AR and or the retention percent AP. This will auto-calculate on future invoices when entered. Owner customer and architect customer, choose from the dropdown, or if they do not exist in the current customer list, reference the JobCost.com video tutorial on how to enter a new customer. Furnished description will print this description on lien waiver forms. Job ticket report and certified report, select a default print form option from the dropdowns for this job. If this is a certified job, the following checkboxes and fields can be utilized as needed. There are multiple note sections and additional user fields that include text, logical, date, and number fields. The system administrator can customize these user field labels to be used to store additional information about the job. When done entering new job information, click Save. This will generate multiple page tabs along the top pertaining to this job for future use. The next step will be adding job phases. Please reference JobCost.com video tutorial on how to enter job phases. Click Save when done entering new job information. Click Save and Add if entering multiple new jobs. Click Save and Close if completely done entering or editing job information, and it will close the current job tab.